Hello YouTube, Chachi is back, and today's video is about how to fix projecting to this PC feature disabled on Windows 10. So stay tuned until the end of the video to see how to solve this solution. I get this question from one of the viewer of this channel, so let's get to see how we're gonna solve it. So you open, when projecting to this PC, it showed you this blurred or these things are not active. To fix your PC to some device, maybe your projector or television or some application. So how can you solve this one? Just go to the setting of your computer, setting. Let me turn off this one and go to setting. So on the settings, go to apps, and after you click the apps, then click on optional features. So on the optional features, here we have add features. So on add features, you should have to add a wireless display to your projector if you want to work or to project on the devices that you want. So type wireless. As you can see, when I say wire, it started showing me a wireless display on your computer. So you should have to be connected to internet to make to download the file. So click on it and select this one and click install. So it start installing to your computer based on the speed of your computer. It will download the file. So I think the connection is very slow. I should have to wait some time. Okay, as you can see, it finished the downloading on the optional features, and here you can see wireless display on the computer. It's uninstalled, which is it's already installed. So let's see how our projecting option, which is project to this PC. Oops, what happened here? Did I type wrongly? Project to this PC, right? Projecting, sorry, I should have said projecting. So yes, here it opened. Yes, as you can see, we can fix anything that you want, that you can do. Some Windows and Android device can project to this PC when you say it's okay. So click on this one and you can turn it on, which is available everywhere. Then every time a connection is requested, which is asked to project to this PC, you can make permissions and you can give pin for pairing. And this PC can be discovered for projection only when it's plugged into a power source, then it's turned on. So you can project from your PC to any Windows or Android devices that you want. So this is all about today's video, and if this is helpful, give me thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Chachi out.